Okay, I just showed you how to go in and how to add a page to a menu. So again, you can go to home here. Once you go to home there, of course, the main thing is going to come up as well. And you know what? I need to fix this right here. So I guess on this particular one, I'm going to show you how to make your slider. Sliders are very easy to make. Okay? So go ahead and go to dashboard. Go ahead and go to dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you're going to go to your slider revolution, right? Once you go to slider revolution, I'm going to click on this right here. I wish I knew like an event that they had coming up, but I don't know. So I would have to do that to actually create one from scratch. So I'll do one that I've already started on. I'm going to click on this slide because it's actually the slide that I need to fix. And I'll actually remake everything from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to delete all this stuff. Okay, so you can see me make it from scratch. It'll be like the same thing. So when I started off, I picked a color, kind of with a theme, whatever, that can go along with their, close that door, please. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna close the door. I told y'all I got kids, so, yeah. Take her load of kids. I got 4. So here we go. You click on that. You can do transparent color. You can, like if you wanted to do a YouTube video, you could actually do a YouTube, you can do a YouTube video or Vimeo video, HTML5 video, whatever, right? So I just picked on this solid color. It'll say choose a color. Then once you choose a color, you know, I could keep it brown, I could keep it whatever. But so I just like the red. I think red complements her skin. So from there, since I know the first thing I want to do, I'm going to add a image. I'm going to go with how I want, what I want first. And what I want first is her image here. I'm going to over here, so I'll know my guidelines. I'm going to put my help lines there, so I know, you know, what's what goes where, so forth and so on. I know I need to make this a little bigger, so I need to make her bigger, per se. Then I need to turn. I want to turn her. Then I'm still going to need to make her bigger, because I'm going to have to make sure that as I'm making her bigger, it, you know, it's doing what it needs to do on my end, okay? So I just need to make sure she's big enough right there, which is fine. So, oh, and honestly, I probably would turn her a little bit so her shoulder is not like that, about like that, okay? So once I do that, her name is Pastor Ellen. So I'm going to add her name, go to add layer text. I'm going to go over here and find the type of pretty little text I want for her name.
That's big, baby.
Oh, that big is, yeah.
Mommy.
Okay. I don't like that either. Yeah, this is cool. Okay. So I'm gonna make this a little smaller though. I'm gonna probably make this at a 95 because that's, yeah, that's about the size I need. And I'm gonna put Pastor EON favorites. Okay, that's a little big, so I'm gonna have to bring it down to maybe about 75.
The food is ready.
No, it's not. It's not ready.
The food is ready.
No, it's not. Okay. Gotta bring it down to 60.
Mama, I need to take a bath.
Oh my God.
Mama, Dad said let me take a bath.
They're going back. So this is pretty. So But it needs to be I think it needs to be a little more blackish per se. So let's see. See, you can always change the color over here to white. Okay. Well, just did something I did. But this is a little big, so I need to bring it down to maybe about 65 so it can fit where it needs to fit. There you go. So past there, Ellen favorite. That's the favorites, and then I'm gonna put a new text thing. So here's an executive pastor. Okay, put that like that. Ain't that cool? See, told you it's not hard to do. Once you do that, then we're gonna add. I'm just gonna, cause I need to add something here. So go for here. See, everybody's calling me right now. Don't nobody want nothing. Okay. So we're gonna put now on this thing. You have to use a little HTML. So it's gonna put women. BR means to break. So we're gonna put women's. We'll put BR then you. Then SOAR. SOAR. Then BR again. We're just gonna give me a space and then outreach. So okay, and so right here we're gonna make it bigger. Let's try it at 60 and see if it's big enough. Which I think it is, but I need to break this up some more. Okay, so it needs to be like 3 times. So I'm just gonna copy and then paste. Then I'm going to copy. Stop.
Get out of here, Pete. Oh, stop. Pete. Oh, Pete. Not getting get out.
Okay, let me figure out how to. Cool. We it should be women's. All right, cool. So the next thing I need to do, honestly, is maybe put a BR between there. Shoot. Women's right here. Alright, and I hit bookmarks on my thing. Alright, and then we can center that and maybe make it a little bigger. Okay, so to fill it up. So let's make it to 80. Let's pull her out, this out, so the bounding box. Cause yeah. there's oh, prayer. How can I forget prayer? Lord have mercy. Okay. Yeah. So that came together, right? Really, really cool. Pastor Neil, she's like a pastor. You know, you just pretty much you play with fonts. And I think I'm gonna use that Instagram font on here too, because I think I like that a little better. So I'm going to go to that, and it said Instagram caption. Oh Lord, gotta make it bigger. So 80, like that. Okay. That's the Ellen favor. Ellen favors. Alright, cool, 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 cool. Okay. Now I need to bring that up. Bring that up. That's where that need to go. Right there. Okay. Okay. So you make sure everything makes sense, right? And then you could turn these different colors if you wanted to, or whatever. But I think that is real cool. It kind of resembles her personality and all of that. So you could you can time all this stuff, right? So this, everything is coming in at the same time, but if you didn't want everything to come in at the same time, so let's say I want this to come in a little after this right here. So I'm going to make sure this is first, then I'm going to drag this to, I want this first, then after that I want that to come, then I want her picture to come, then I want all these words to come like that. So it'll be like this. So you see, let's play it. Boom, exactly like I want it. It'll save like that. So you do that, right? And now I need to get the prayer hotline, and I'm gonna find some hands and I'll make it so y'all can see it. But I'll find some hands and it'll be like, you know, the prayer hotline or something like that. So anyway, to really see how this would look, it gives you a preview. So if you leave page, we already saved all this good wholesome stuff. Glory to God. And preferably, yes, I did it right. So you go to this, you click on the name of your slider, preview, and it lets you preview it on the different. I need to bring his head up. See that? I need to bring the head up on here. So as you see that, and it times it accordingly. You can make it shorter, longer, whatever. And it's gonna show you how it looks on a device. And once it's finished, it's gonna go to the next one. This one is not doing it. Well, I guess we'll put on here where it goes to that. Oh, beautiful. As you see, I just need to bring her down some. So this will be like, won't be cut off. Okay. Then it goes to the other one. The Wednesday night Bible study in the Dallas location. And then from there, it'd probably go to something else. See, let's click on it. See, this also shows you how it would look on, that shows you how it's on the computer and everything like that. So when I'm going to go back into here, I'm going to go to edit. Remember on Apostles, I needed to bring his head up some. So I just gonna click on here, okay, and I'm gonna click on these things. So I needed just to bring him up some. That's all. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. Normally I put on helpline so I know like where I'm doing, where everything needs to be, because for some reason mine's like, it cuts it off a little bit, which I think is crazy because it doesn't like show you, you know what I mean? And so that's why I like to click on this, hide under width, show over hover, only on the slider hover. Okay, whatever. That make it like let you do behavior. Okay, all that. So I know I needed to bring his head up on that, and I need to bring this back over here like that, and yeah, so cool. Then I'm gonna press save. We're gonna save it. Always save stuff, because then you'll forget if you did something or if you didn't, you know what I'm saying, do something. Okay, so then I'm gonna go to the slide, and remember on here we needed to bring down the corner area. So I'm gonna go down to there, and you see what I mean? It doesn't show me on there, and that's the part I don't like. So I just know I need to bring her down just a little bit, and then press save. Okay, now when I go to Slider Revolution, Revolution is what it's called, and I go to preview, it should be alright, cool. Thought that's gonna work today. Yeah, how about that one? See, and the senior pastor is not dragged out on the other one like it's supposed to. Just weird. Great! We did it, guys! See? I told you, building that is, well, on the tablet it looked crazy. Okay. So, we built it accordingly, right? That's what we want. So then we're going to go, well, that's how you build a revolutionary slider. So, happy, good times.